Myself, Captain Harish Chandra Singh, National In Charge, All India Crime and Corruption Prevention Organization. On 30th April 2021, a silver merchant of Mathura was detected by moving squad unit number 7 of GST Agra at toll tax of Agra Lucknow highway. After delivery of silver, merchant was returning from Katihar. He was then brought to Jaipur House, GST Department, Agra. During searching, an amount of 43 lakhs was recovered and merchant was threatened to lodge a income tax theft case against him and taken this 43 lakh cash as a bribe by the officers of GST Department, Agra. On 6 May, when this case was brought in the notice of AICCPO, a complaint through email and a WhatsApp forward to Chief Minister UP, Chief Secretary UP Government, Additional Chief Secretary GST Tax and Tax Commissioner Lucknow for taking an immediate and a necessary action on this issue. When a mobile contact was also made with PSO Additional Chief Secretary GST on 8th May to inform the status of this complaint. He replied that the directions from this office have already been issued to the Tax Commissioner Lucknow and forward your original copy of complaint to all the above officers. We are very thankful to the Tax Commissioner Lucknow for setting up an investigation forthwith and issue of suspension order on 13th May 2021 against one additional commissioner, one tax officer, vehicle driver and a Sipahi of GST Department, Agra. Further, on 18 May, Joint Commissioner SIB and an additional commissioner grade 2 SIB were also suspended. Unfortunately, on 21st May 2021, the suspension order of Additional Commissioner Grade 2 was cancelled, which is not justifiable as an investigation by Additional Commissioner Grade 1 Varanasi is going on against this officer. How his suspension can be withdrawn until unless the final report is submitted by the investigating officer, and how an impartial inquiry is possible if this officer is on duty. Therefore, it is expected that the suspension order not to be withdrawn and a case to be registered against these all corrupted officers and the recovery of revenue loss to be made from their own salary. AICCPO has also forwarded many complaints of these corrupted officers of GST Agra are still under consideration with higher headquarters of UP government. These corrupted officers are continuously making a revenue loss of hundreds of crores to the state government. Therefore, the movable and non-movable property of these officers to be investigated and a recovery of revenue loss to be borne by the accused officers. The peoples of India are also invited to cooperate us and join our All India Crime and Corruption Organization to prevent the corruption from this country, as it is the vision of our Prime Minister of India. Thanks. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.